Before you watch this, listen carefully. If your kitchen never feels truly clean, even after scrubbing, even after sprays, then stop. This is not about modern hacks, not about shiny bottles. This is about how Amish kitchens stay clean for decades, quietly, without chemicals, without stress. 1. Vinegar water, the quiet power. In Amish kitchens, vinegar and water is not called a hack. It is just how things are done. A bowl, warm water, a splash of vinegar. That is it. Every morning, someone wipes the table, the counters, the handles. Slow hands, no rush. Vinegar cuts grease before it grows bold. It keeps ants confused. Bacteria does not get comfortable. The smell fades quickly. The clean stays longer. Fancy sprays come and go. This one stays, always has.
2. Baking soda instead of harsh powders. Baking soda sits quietly in a jar, waiting. When the sink looks tired, when the stove has stories burned into it. A little sprinkle, a damp cloth, gentle pressure. That's all. It scrubs without anger, does not scratch, does not fight the surface. Amish kitchens respect what they own. You clean it, you don't destroy it. The rhythm matters. Scrub, pause, rinse, done.
3. Clean it now, not later. One rule that is never written anywhere: clean immediately. After cooking, pots do not sit and think. They get filled with hot water. Plates are wiped before food dries like glue. Grease is weak when warm, strong when cold. Amish people understand timing. This habit saves effort, saves water, saves mood. The kitchen never feels heavy because mess never stays long enough to settle. 4. Cloth over convenience. Paper towels feel fast, but cloth feels right. Old flour sack towels hang on hooks, washed, reused, folded again. They wipe spills, dry dishes, polish glass. Over years, they soften, become better. Paper gets thrown away. Cloth becomes part of the home. Amish kitchens breathe this idea. Nothing wasted, nothing rushed, just practical calm. 5. Salt for wood and smells. Wooden cutting boards tell stories. Onion, garlic, meat. Amish people do not drown them in soap. They respect the grain. Coarse salt is poured, rubbed slowly, sometimes with lemon, sometimes just hands. Salt pulls smells out, dries moisture, keeps wood alive. Boards are wiped, left to air dry. They last decades, quietly doing their job. 6. Ashes and old knowledge. This one surprises people. Fine wood ash from the stove, mixed with a little water, used carefully on heavy grease or cast iron. Ash cleans because it understands fire. It removes what fire left behind. Amish kitchens remember old knowledge. They don't call it outdated, they call it tested. After cleaning, pans are dried, oiled lightly, ready again, like nothing happened. 7. Sweep every day, always. Floors are swept daily, sometimes twice. Dirt does not get invited to stay. Wet mopping is rare. Too much water harms wood. Instead, dry sweeping keeps things simple. When mopping happens, it is hot water, maybe vinegar. Nothing sticky, no shine chasing, just clean. The floor stays strong, quiet, honest. 8. Open shelves mean no hiding. Open shelves change behavior. You cannot hide dust or spills. Everything is visible, so everything stays cleaner. Amish kitchens often use open shelves for this reason. Less clutter, fewer items, only what is needed. Wiping shelves becomes routine, natural. When you see it, you clean it. Simple logic.
9. Air is part of cleaning. Windows open daily, even in cold weather. Steam leaves, smells leave, moisture escapes. Curtains get shaken, sills wiped. Amish people trust fresh air. It prevents mold, keeps kitchens alive. Machines help, but air is free and honest. Sometimes the strongest cleaner is invisible.
10. Cleaning is a way of living. This is the real secret. Cleaning is not an event, it is part of life. You wipe while cooking, you wash before resting, you sweep before night ends. No stress, no buildup. The kitchen stays clean because care is constant. Amish kitchens don't look perfect, they look lived in, and that is the point. Clean enough, calm enough, always ready.
If this video changed the way you look at your kitchen, even a little, then it did its job. Simple habits, old knowledge, real cleaning. That is what Rustic Pantry is about. If you enjoy calm wisdom, slow living, and traditional ways that still work today, subscribe to Rustic Pantry. Stay with us. More stories, more quiet lessons, more simple living.